Welcome back students to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. This is class 6 and in this video lecture friends we will discuss a couple of questions of exercise 11b chapter 11 line, segment, ray and line. So friends, exercise 11b are totally objective type of questions. So first here solve the sums, then match which one of the options is correct. Okay, now see, question number 1 says friends, question number 1 says which of the following has no endpoints? No. So which of the following has no endpoints? And A line, segment, B array, C align, D none of these. Which of the following has no endpoint? So the answer is friends, correct option is align, because line has no endpoints friends. Now move the second question friends. Question number 2 says which of the following has one endpoint? So do yourself friends. Question number 3 says which of the following has two endpoints? You can do it. Question number 4, which of the following has definite length? You can do it. Reply. Which of the following can be drawn on a piece of paper? Yes friends. Fifth number question says which of the following can be drawn on a piece of paper? Question number 5, which of the following can be drawn on a piece of paper? So the option number A is align, can be drawn. Align, segment, or a plane? Yes friends, the answer is align, segment. Align, segment. Why friends? Because line, segment has definite length friends. This is the line, segment, and line, segment has two endpoints. It could be measured. It can be measured either 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, whatever. So 1 centimeter or 1 billion meter or 1 billion kilometer is also definite length. So we can easily draw on the piece of paper, or we can easily draw. But friends, think about the align. So align friends, align cannot be drawn because line is not a definite length friends. Because this is why the reason is here, because why we mark the arrows friends in both the direction, because this line goes to this direction up to we don't know infinity, here up to we don't know infinity. So this is why we can add the mark at the end. This is not at the last. That means here the arrow mark, this arrow indicates it will go to left and go to right, goes to right hand side. So this is why we can now draw, because it has no definite length. It has, suppose anyone think yes 1 billion kilometer or meter, so other person stand up and say yes, the greater than 100 billion, 100 billion trillion and so forth. That means we can say the line has no end points. This is why this cannot be measured and this cannot be drawn on the piece of paper. This cannot be drawn. Similarly, the ray has one end points, but this is the okay friend, one end points. We can easily measure from here, but it goes to infinity. Why? Because here is the arrow mark. This arrow says nothing. It is not stop at this point. It will go and go and go up to infinity. So a plane friends, a plane. What about the plane? So look at the board friend. This is also a plane. If we extend this board, that means if we add all million, billion and trillion boards, attach this is also a plane friends. So plane can be extended and extended up to infinity. There is no definite area of the plane. So I hope you will be grasped. Now next question number 6 says how many lines can be drawn passing through a given point? Here friends, question number 6, how many lines can be drawn passing through a given point? So here is the points friends. So how many line can be drawn? Because we had already discussed in the starting topic, chapter 11th, in the theoretical part, friends. How many lines? Draw the lines, friends. This is the line. So this is the line. This is the line. So line, 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 line. So there are unlimited number of lines, friends. Unlimited number of lines. So the answer, correct option is, friends, D. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 7. How many lines can be drawn passing through the two given points? Yes, very good question. How many lines can be drawn passing through the two given points? 7 number question says, how many lines can be drawn passing through the given and two given points? First, friends, think this is the two given points. So how many lines that can be drawn passing through these 2 points? Now draw, friends. Have a look, friends. This is only one line, friends. Have a look. We can say there is only one line that can be drawn passing through two given points. So the correct option is A. Now 8 number question says, two planes intersect at a point, in a plane, in a line, none of this. See, friends, two planes intersect in a plane. Think about the question. In a plane, in a line. Two planes intersect in a line or in a plane. So the correct option is 6. This is the plane. Two planes intersect in a plane, in a line. So another plane, like, friends, this is suppose the correct option is, friends, C, in a line. Option number C. That means we can say two planes intersect in a line. Line में intersect करते हैं. This is the sec, intersect, intersect, और another suppose this is the line, intersect, intersect. Now the next question number 9 says, two lines intersect at a point. No, friends, question number 9 says, two lines intersect. Option number A, at a point, B, at 2 points, C, at an infinite number of points in a line. When two lines intersect, suppose this is line, friends, and this is another line. Now look at the, friends, when two lines intersect, this is at a point, friends, mark, this is the C point, or like O. So the correct option is at a point, means A is the correct. Now see, friends, question number 10. 2 points in a plane determine exactly one line segment, exactly two line segment. So you can do it, friends. Very simple question. 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Now, friends, your homework. Last question. How many rays can be drawn with a given point as the initial point? Now see, friends, how many rays can be drawn at initial point? Suppose question number 15 says, friends, here the initial point is, okay, how many rays that can be drawn? Look at the, friends, here the sun. See the sun, and sun is looks like the point. Suppose, okay, so there how many rays passing through this sun, because this sun is considered as the point size. So this is how many rays, friends. There are million, trillion, and trillion rays. That means we can say in one words, there are infinite many rays that are passing through this sun. Okay, so we can say through one point we can pass, there are unlimited number of rays. Okay, so the correct option is, friends, the correct option is an unlimited number. C. I hope friends you can solve all the sums because all sums are objectives. So please remember all these things with understanding power. So your chapter is ended friends. Now your homework, exercise 11b to solve. If you have any doubt, confusion, ask me, contact me or comment in the comment box below. Have a nice day.